facial routine is 8 simple steps, and I'm going to go through a couple of benefits of using this mask. This mask is great because it only involves 2 ingredients. They are Bentonite Clay, and this product forms from volcanic ash along with apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar obviously comes from apples. So these are the 2 main ingredients for our facial recipe. Now there is one downside to this mask, and that is that it can be quite messy, just so you're aware. So perhaps if you're concerned about this, you might want to wash it off in the shower, and if you're okay with it, just carry on at the sink.